Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to unsubscribe from Google Groups. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Here you can see I have created a group on Google Groups. Now I can unsubscribe from these Google Groups with two methods, from email and the My Groups section. From email, first we need to compose an email. In the to section for our session, we have to write the group name plus unsubscribe at the group domain. Just like this, I'm first typing my group name. Also, you can find this email right down of your group name. Just remember this format and type this on to section of your composing email, just like I'm putting on this email. You have to put this exact domain of your Google group. Here is the pop-up. Click on it and just send it with blank message. You don't need to do anything, just click on the send button and you will unsubscribe from the Google Groups. Now let's see how to unsubscribe from Google Groups from your Google Groups dashboard. Select the group and click on this gear icon, and in group settings and general section you need to scroll very down, and at the very bottom you will find this option named delete group. There is a warning: deleting a group is permanent. That means you can recover the group if you once delete the group. Just click on this delete group and the group will be deleted. And if you want to delete all of your group, just click on this checkbox and all of your groups will select it, and do the same process. Click on the gear icon and delete the group. And if you want to delete your selected or specific multiple groups, just select the groups by checking the box and scroll down and delete the group. That's it. Pretty simple, right? I hope you got this video and now you can unsubscribe from your Google Groups. Hope you found this video helpful. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon and we will get back to you soon. Thanks for watching the video.